Hi and welcome, guys. I will make a little video a bit later about my recovery so far, and I hope that it spreads so far that people can see how long it takes to recover. Because every year you are using, that's a year longer it takes you to recover. Never mind that. Um, I I was in a situation when I drove with people in a car and things like that, and then they drive past these people that are homeless, and then they're like, it's easy, just get clean, then you don't have to suffer like that. It's really that simple. If those people get clean without medical assistance, they'll die. And to get clean is not that easy, because 366 rand, 57 rand, 1267 rand, plus airtime to phone the doctor, 60 rand. Uh, 62 rand, 80 rand, 20 rand. And that's just for 1 month. Where do people on the street, how do you think will they ever afford that kind of money? And it's easy to say, go to the government. Okay, the government has been trying and struggling for 1 year and nearly 2 years, because it's already December month now, and take blood tests and spits and everything. I had to go and pay a private doctor just to find out that I have got a bacterial infection, which I already knew I had, and every time I mention it to the government hospitals doctors, they always think they're clever and they know best. In the meantime, it's my body, I know what I'm experiencing, and yes, I was right. The doctor confirmed it, and yet again I'm on antibiotics for it. So yeah, when you get boil sores, the only thing that leads to boil sores is a bacteria infection. And when the boil sores continue, that bacterial infection spread. It doesn't mean because I'm an addict, I'm totally a fucking noilkie. I'm not a noilkie. I was raised with my father being in the medical field, and my grandmother was a head nurse. So I know something about medical aid. And the one time the doctor, who's basically studying, a student at Kalafong, is like telling me, you cannot have a sinus surgery or your sinus removed. What the fuck? You're a doctor and you don't even know that? Gee, you should get your money back.